Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have it as the newly launched earbuds from pTron, and they are the Bassbuds Lite. And the best thing about them is their pricing, which makes them the most affordable true wireless earbuds. So let's begin with the unboxing first. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product and the model name Bassbuds Lite. And here you can see that they are the true wireless stereo earbuds. At the back of the box we have the specifications of these earbuds. And some of them are 10mm driver, 50 mAh battery in the earbuds, and you get 400 mAh battery in the charging case. You get music playback time of up to 6 hours, talk time of up to 5 hours, and standby time of up to 100 hours. These earbuds are available in both black and white, which I will show you in a moment. So let's open the box and see the content now. On the top we get the earbuds and the charging case. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the user guide, and it has the info about the pairing and the button operations. And then we get the micro USB charging cable, and you also get 2 pairs of extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. pTron Bassbuds Lite are the most affordable true wireless earbuds. You get the in-ear design, and each earbud has the physical button by which you can play and pause track and do few other things, which I will show you when we pair them with our phone. Talking about the looks and design, I really like them, and the quality is also good, keeping in mind the price is just $8.99. Even though they are cheap, but you get almost all the features when it comes to the specification. They are Bluetooth 5.0 enabled and comes with 10mm dynamic driver. The battery in each earbud is 50 mAh, which can easily give you playback time of up to 5 to 6 hours. And you also get a charging case which has 400 mAh battery, which will increase the overall working time to approximately 20 hours. The case and the earbuds are not magnetic, but when you insert the earbuds in the case for charging, they're not loose at all, so you don't have to worry about losing them while charging. So overall in terms of design and features, I'm surprised that pTron has done this for just Rs 8.99. And also as mentioned earlier, that they're also available in 2 colors, black and white. And I personally find the black variant better in terms of looks. Now let's pair them with our phone and we'll see how is the sound quality. Pairing is easy, and when you take the earbuds out of the case, the left earbud will pair with the right one, and then you will see this blinking LED light, which means they're available to pair. And here it is paired with our phone. And from now on, whenever you insert them back in the case, they will disconnect automatically. And same thing when you take them out, they will auto connect with your last pair device. Now let's check how is the sound quality. First of all, the in-ear design of these earbuds is actually very comfortable when you use the right size ear tip. Though these earbuds are slightly bigger than the other true wireless earbuds we have tested in past, but they are also lightweight, which will allow you to use them for long hours. In terms of sound quality, as expected, the sound quality is decent. It's not that great but not that bad either. You get good bass output, but sometimes I noticed that the vocals are a bit muffled up. But you get no distortions, and they are also loud and clear. And guys, you have to keep in mind that these true wireless earbuds are only for Rs 8.99, and you're also getting a charging case with 400 mAh battery. Now coming back to the sound quality, I've also used them for watching movies and videos, and for that purpose, they're actually very good. The physical button on the earbuds will allow you to change tracks and also pause and play music. You can also use Google Assistant or Siri by triple pressing the button on the left earbud. I have also taken some calls with this, and the mic quality is decent. You can also take call with only one earbud. So to sum it up, pTron Bassbuds Lite are the most affordable true wireless earbuds right now, which comes with the charging case. Build quality and design is okay, and so does the sound quality, but keeping in mind the price, I'm happy with the overall package. And if you're someone who's looking to buy a true wireless earphones for casual usage, then do check them out. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, these were the pTron Bassbuds Lite true wireless earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also tell us if you would buy them in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.